There is no doubt about the future of personal transportation being electric, all thanks to the efforts of Tesla to make electric cars mainstream with its innovative products that are disrupting the aging and boring automotive industry that we know currently. With advancements in so many fields like smartphones and electric cars, battery technology is still something that remains stagnant in terms of innovations and every electronic device that we have today. But Tesla made an announcement for a new kind of battery that might force us to forget about solid-state batteries. Wondering what exactly that one is? Let's discuss just that one here today. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have a community on Discord, where all of you can discuss the new topics but also post memes. So don't forget to join our Discord server to discuss future options. With all that done, let's discuss everything about Tesla's new 4680 battery and the state of solid-state batteries. Our smartphones have evolved so much ever since the introduction of the first iPhone. The cars that we use today are very different in terms of the technology that it packs combined with all the safety features of newer cars. Today, we own so many gadgets and almost all of them require batteries to some extent. But the way how our batteries work have not changed much compared to how fast the technology that we use evolved. Major battery manufacturers are now investing a lot of money to improve battery technology by enhancing the storage and performance of the existing batteries. However, fundamentally, batteries are still somewhat the same. It's not like there are no other option to consider other than lithium-ion batteries. But the problem lies when the engineers are confused about which option will end up being the better option as a long-term replacement to the existing battery technologies, which forces them to keep improving the existing technology. Even if there's a new technology, it might be difficult to scale it from a prototype to a fully functional battery that can be mass-produced and sold commercially. Even if things work out on a small scale, when it comes to mass production, more issues come up, and most of the time, these issues are not a piece of cake to solve. The higher cost of research is another factor, contributing to the lack of research in the improvement of battery technology. Today, lithium-ion batteries are the most commonly used batteries, and even Tesla uses the same for their EVs. Tesla's batteries are not much different from the other ones that you have in your laptops or other devices. Tesla uses thousands of small lithium-ion cells to power their vehicles. Batteries do not work well in cold temperatures, so Tesla also has their cars equipped with heating systems so that you can drive your Tesla in extreme cold weather conditions. Tesla needs to be plugged in, unlike the hybrid offering from Toyota, but there is regenerative braking that can provide some energy back to the batteries without applying the brakes. But last year, during the Tesla Battery Day, Tesla announced their plans to develop tabless batteries with the promise of increasing the electric car's range and power too. Sounds exciting, right? The company will also be producing these batteries with the sole purpose of improving the range of their vehicles, which will address the range anxiety issues that are stopping people from getting electric cars for themselves. Battery being the most important and the most expensive component in any electric vehicle, these batteries will also be able to reduce the buying cost of electric cars, which will make them more accessible to the masses. And this means that Tesla's goal to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy will be much closer. You see, traditionally, batteries are made up of three main components. They are anode, cathode, and separator. We also have tabs that allow the energy of the cell to be transferred to an external source. This technology has been like this for the longest time. The tab of a battery is what forms a connection between the cell and what is powering it. And with these tabless batteries, Tesla will have a battery that's 5 times more powerful and also 16% more range compared to what the company's offering today. The anode that's used in lithium-ion batteries is graphite, and Tesla also adds a little bit of silicon to this graphite, which will help the same volume of the anode to hold more lithium. There is so much research going on for an alternative material, but it looks like we don't have any so far. With tabless batteries, fewer parts are required, and this will also mean a much faster assembly of the vehicle. Tesla calls these tabless batteries as 4680 cells, and these cells are also bigger than what the cells that Tesla use today, and the dimensions are 46mm by 80mm. And now you know why these batteries are named the 4860 batteries. Tesla's vice president for powertrain and energy said that the engineers laser pattern the existing foils in the cell to create a shingled spiral, which will result in a shorter electrical path length of 50mm compared to 250mm in the cells the company is using today. These cells are not only bigger, but they're more powerful too. With the increase in power and density, the other thing that needs to be fixed will be the thermal issues, and the efficiency of batteries depends on the temperatures they operate. Tesla sources their batteries from other major battery manufacturers, and now Tesla's looking forward to producing them all by themselves. And this will also reduce the prices of the batteries and can change the technology behind their batteries. This does not mean that Tesla will stop ordering batteries from the other suppliers, but Elon does not want his company to solely depend on these suppliers, because if there's a problem with these supply of batteries, it can slow up the production and assembly of Tesla's cars. Let's get back to talking about the batteries. There's about 5 times more energy storage with these new batteries, and this can fix the range anxiety issues with the batteries of today. Yes, Tesla did really well with their supercharger network, but this is an added bonus that will bring more people to electric cars. The internal structure of the batteries is also different because of the laser pattern shingles that we mentioned earlier. Tesla also does not want to use cobalt for their batteries because of the issues related to mining of cobalt and the shady business model surrounding the cobalt mining industry. Musk did not give us the exact time when the company will completely stop using cobalt for their batteries. Still, Elon is all about making battery technology a lot more affordable. And soon, we might have a Tesla that costs $25,000 or less. With the new 4680 batteries, the production of the more recent Model Ys and Model 3s will be much faster, as the production lines no longer need to stop to add tabs during the assembly of the cars. With such an increase in production, we can have Elon's unrealistic deadlines become more achievable. A larger battery, better capacity, and better charge time are the perfect recipe for a battery that we need today. But we also have solid-state batteries claiming to do the same thing, right? Compared to lithium-ion battery technology, yes, solid-state batteries are a promising technology and could be the next big thing in the battery industry. Today, giant companies like Toyota and Ford are also looking forward to using solid-state batteries in their products. Solid-state batteries use solid electrodes and solid electrolytes instead of liquid or polymer gel electrolytes that are found in lithium-ion or lithium-powered polymer batteries. Despite being safe, lightweight, and more energy efficient, solid-state batteries are much more expensive to produce in huge quantities, which will bring up the prices for the already expensive electric vehicle market. These solid-state batteries also do have a lot to prove, which means it's not going to be a viable solution anytime soon, and Tesla's new batteries might just change the game. So, to sum things up, Tesla is willing to take a lot of risks, and that's why Tesla is where it is today. Tesla's been continuously improving their battery technology to make it much more efficient by packing in more batteries into their cars, making use of the space in it. A battery might not be something that people notice when driving a Tesla, but it is the batteries that make Tesla what it is. So we need to have better battery technology to accelerate the adoption of EVs. According to a tweet from Elon Musk, he confirmed that the newer Model Ys will have these new batteries that will roll off from the production line from Gigafactory Texas. And Panasonic is the oldest battery partner of Tesla, and they might be developing these new generations of batteries as well, according to a few sources. With that, we've come to the end with our video. What do you think about these new batteries from Tesla? Will it be a better option than solid-state batteries? We would love to hear from you, so do let us know in the comment section below. A gentle reminder, subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new uploads. Drop a like for the video if you're a fan of Tesla. Catch you all in the next one.